So simply the way I'm here with Mr. Sanyang. Before he will intro himself, I would love to extend my greetings to the four corners of the world, in England, Norway, Germany, Sweden, America, and all over Africa. So he will intro himself, and then in case if you're out there building a house, you want to roof your house, or you want a veranda, whatsoever that you need, steps or whatsoever gate, you can simply contact him when it comes to welding. So he will intro himself, and then he will take us through the journey, and then he will show us whatever that's available. So when you're out there working, you need a worker right in the Gambia, he's number one right. So Mr. Sanyang, you can
I am Alaji Sanyang, Alaji Ibrahim Sanyang. I am born in Lamin, raised up in Lamin. Land is a skill in Lamin. So, and my company's name is Fat Fabrication Metal Workshop. Yeah. Okay. From
this, I think this is the second video that we did.
Yeah.
The first time that I met you, by then I'm starting to grow up with the channel, and here is the second video. But in the first video, you told me like you traveled to Mali, where you go to expand your skills, and then you are back in the Gambia. You have many buildings in the Gambia. Also, did a lot when it comes to welding. Can you tell us what exactly that you do when it comes to welding?
As you said, I was in Bissau. I learned this skill in the Gambia. I traveled in Bissau. I was working at the airport as a welderman in the airport. We normally maintenance these big ships from their submers, a lot of things in their ships. So later on, I normally work with one company too in Bissau, which normally build schools, hospitals, so later on I come back to the Gambia and I continue working as a welderman, and I have students from GTTI, one of the highest institutes in the Gambia. So I have students from there, attachments. I train a lot of people. Some of them are in Europe, some of them are in Africa, some of them are in the Gambia working in companies. So every 6 months I have to leave. I have to leave some apprentice students to go stand for themselves.
That's really great, right? So I want you to take us through the journey. Well, before we move forward, I want you to take us through what exactly the focus to when it comes to welding, like roofing, because you roofing, and then windows, doors. Can you tell us what exactly?
Yeah, for me, we don't stick on only one thing. We make doors, we make roofings, we make burglar proofs, and we make a lot of house cars, a lot of things which we normally do, when it comes to welding. Yeah.
So like when somebody's out there has a picture, you have a picture that you want to work exactly like the way that it looks like on the picture. Can you able to fabricate it or design it as the way it is?
Of course, because all these works normally we do, sometimes we see it from the internet, we develop and we change the design so that the design can suit the kind of the design. Some of them, if you see the design, they are not exactly very strong, but we can change the design and make it more stronger than the unique than the one we see. Yeah.
So what about this one?
Yeah, this one it is a gate which will be fixed at the house. So, but this door is going to be rolled and it's going to bend like a circle. Yeah,
it's like 360 door.
Yeah, 360.
No, it's not like a street.
Yeah, it's a roll door, but it's going to have angle.
Like from that angle, you can turn it to that.
Yeah. This place we are going to put hinges.
Right?
No, we are not running it. It's the same as this door. Yeah, it's not. These are all pipe. It's a very strong door. No, these ones. Somebody gave me this contract.
Oh, I would want you to send me some of the pictures and the videos.
Yeah.
That you have been doing. So, but I think what you're going to at least
okay, nte somi Alaji Sanyan, Alaji Ibrahima Sanyan, wuluta lamen neto, mental lamen neto, ngani meto fanan karan lamen neto, although travel outside the country fanato, dami along komi ko babu le do okay, mini along ko yeng nindi hard welding ni amoy hard welding wala welding ti mi along komi ko ise essence tankol like essence tankol ke do ku no do ko bekele ngamul train ya ngakulungol fanan do ku le dami along ko min kulungol la dula bije mi along ka sotan ka operate le na do ku min kulungol baton bal so ngawo do ko fanan kele ngamul fanan train mini along ko mi ko ka kabrin Gambia be la depot lola ntela trainees mo fula ngaminu kije one of some of my apprentices it will be not na ye test nim pass le in some of African dingol dol Senegal bare wo mol nata test nim pass le pour ka do ke wo depot nyin to ko depot nyin lota at mandinari so nga ala tenti je baake ngamo nka students all fanan sotola mini alon ke bota Gambia la highest institute dami alon ko GTTI e kanam fe janne nke train welding nke train how to do cuttings and so forth wol fanam bijele dolla do ko mi fenne mi alon ko ka bunda dal dadale ka selen dawol dalan ka rufol dadale ka larangol dadale ka sirangol dadale so temo fen mi alon ko mi ko welding no bunda fana ni korda so ta dete ta nyawonya il lafta pour que bunda ke jandi mala fi pour bunda e yele pour ase korda nyin mol di stop jeto o ase space ta jeto lintol futata jeto dol ka lon ne nyanta du ko ke la nyanta al nyanta ko la nyawonya dol ba do kula no lay ko nyama ko te lafta la nyandi dam yalo ko ka ke la korda nyin ko man do la space ta korda nyin ko la security doors leti very heavy doors
so ni longo fana ni bulu kono do ko
yeah ni long right ni mu bundala ti gate lo is a gate small gate
okay ni ka dum ko do
ni ka dum korda
ile ke ku
yin fana mi waleti yin fana mi waleti is a gate small gate lo apele la fen ko mi yin big door mi yin yeah but ni don ka yelele ni big door wo ka te fana push
ungono bunda sifa don le fana
yeah what baby jele ka what ni do ku ni alon ko ko slash doors long yeah slash there black course legala in a second course legala you need the gold colors like sotola inside here the white sotola so bundalo mi alo ko nim fanan tam la men dingola so yeah botala den so mbe min kola dia so le wala ni ko sola la de maro mi alon ko mi ko moli do ko dinna pour ngake isajo dinni wol fana be minute train kan isa tariya ke la mecho no ni la mecho no ibe ibaje la ko be sabat la pour ka do ko ke la banko bot ni atra fana do ko bi ka soto fana ibaje la ko work support be do man la ni do man ta hanni apprenti so soto adi ron ite mela no je itala so bare be daniro kala mol mini alon ko wolle be jibe la mini be nyum video fana jibe la mini be na do ko jibe la c'est patronize no la at any way it will seem patronize no nyamin ba appreciate la isaje comme ko abemi banku do ko le abemi fennati mi alon comme ko ni to nyum do ko ke so to nyum sai ke mastic le ko sude do la famoje na dami sude ta jalalo so sai do ko improve kala anuna wol so to ni alon comme ko wolle fanan ka wolle ta jora walla karola ko ka je comme ko ko kendol dum to no ka petrol use ka brosol le use ka petrol ke sai ka mosingol use pour ka je comme ko petrol use ke sentimi alon comme ko apeti ata ba so wol dem ko wolle ti alon comme ko improvements la pour do ko la karola
so dimi mal dol fana tele mi alon ko wolle ti ko wolle fana mi do biya ando ngajere do ko fana sinna ini yeti ta do ko kana mi alon ko tanta ba ke la ni mo la ko la ba bari dan ni fana bitala dan ni do fana sulla ko man ni la ni ko la fala fana ya fu mu advice la wata lebu pour kana Gambian diaspora ni babanda ya ko lollo be bole ya skills and knowledge to bring it back home and utilize so that the skills and knowledge na Gambian ni fana sakara
wokuma yata bake because ni ajibe dunia kono mechole ka dunia samba ni ni pleno je ye motor je ibe mecholo mi alon ko skills lo mi alon ko mol ka tamandi amanke buwa yati amanke fenwo belti knowledge lo anum pour ka fem fanam bil ni ko do te buli se hami pour ka kudol bil because nta banga aten pour ka je ko ka nyum singol bil ni alon ko ise ku kenoela inte follow news lente small news la and it could be very cheap pour ka cool doku bare ni mon support soto pour ka cool dol doku bawo ni bo wol kala foy generator use pour ka lo machine wal kam pour ka doku ke boy rider machine ni use pour ka wodo ko ke wol dol ko dol le so wol be mi fennet mi ne alon ko mi ko alondo be mbulun sa kenol c'est kudol kenol mi ne alon ko mi ko creative things but ibe support soto la no nyaadi la pour ka wodo ko ke pour ka jorangol dol soto pour ka wodo ko ke wol be mi kulete mi ne alon ko fu mayata bakele ka jela fana se bungol fana lono le mi ne alon ko mi se keno gadi no ke se keno badal to mi ne alon ko mi ko bungol fana to ase keno two bedroom apartment ake dekoti so wol be to ko no bare penno mi alon ko jamale ba di le la pour ya do because it ina la dro yo bu si fa do la to dro dan ko dro ko e mole ya do ko di la mole be hani la do ko di la den ite na wo do ko ke mole na jeno woto bare already we na ko ni design le pour ka je ko ko bu si fa do mi alon ko cimento data tarla je abe kala babaroleti abe ani ne droneti ani korke bare ciment data tarla je isa nono le fanam ye cimento ta ya bil pro ay wuli santo ita lafta la lebulo minna comme ay tra santo do munda kana tara du mato maybe se cimento use no wodula no fanam bara wo la den santo ay ke fenkoti neti mi alon ko mi ko is going to be solid doors because ka jele Chinese ul ka do ko sai ka bungo be do ko na ya fenkana amanke buwa ya ti fenno mi alon ko mi ko ni plano lo ndi do iso bungo lo no le material lo ke ni pour ka wo ko ba ye bungo soto mi alon ko mi ko ase kenyon tawot ase kenyen jamane la bam bungo le fan
ya ko ko de ke ya so ko so pele lu gal na nga do ko na le ko Yora la. Sana. adna mi yëpp ñu ngi laa seetaan nag seen tëgg yàlla te moo tax ma bëgg ngeen bàyyi ko ci kanam ñu jokkoo adna bi rek ñu ngi seen liggéey bi ñu wax seen
waaw alhamdulilah sant yàlla muy jàngal nit ñi ñu koy defaree dara loo koy fay jaaraama waaw moom mooy yëpp daal di koy sant di ko gërëm rek di ko ñaanal daal mu gën a yàgg fi mu
mu gën a yàgg fi solo am pour waa
yaa alhamdulilah sant yàlla kana daal liggéey bi daal nit lañ dimbal daal parce que mooy yëpp nit moom loo mëntu kaa yëngu rek soo amut lay jàppale rek problème la soo liggéey baa ngi nii alhamdulilah ñu ngi sant yàlla soo képp ku dugg rek mën ngaa oote si number yi suñ boss number bi 3915829 yaa mën ngaa oote si number boobu inshallah
waaw thank you very much yéen tamit ñu jàpp si météo bi inshallah baax na trop man Gewal Gewal is running away so stay tuned and focus with the eye of the Gambia the Prince of Africa working hard each and every day to change the narrative and to join hand to the Gambians to develop Africa to develop the Gambia to the higher level. So I think Arab Aliyah Commander right now and that Nimu Jamali Lugo can especially the Americans and the coaches out there. Jamali Lugo. So right now channel of a level of them running before is kind of different. I think that was 3 years ago. So we are in 2026 and I do hope cinema. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.